There are two sides of the strategy whiteboard. The first is the planning side and is used for strategy development. The second is the implementation side and supports strategic actions and execution. Each side is comprised of blocks that capture and display the information specific to your company strategy. The blocks on each side are split into two rows that we call sections. On the planning side, the top section is strategic analysis, and the bottom section is strategic focus and outcomes. On the implementation side, the top section is strategic actions, and the bottom section is execution. Each block on the whiteboard is initially marked by an icon signaling that no user input has been populated yet. Once the user input has been added, the respective block icon will be replaced with the user-added content. A completed strategy whiteboard would look like this. Users can click on any of the blocks to access the detailed block page for inputting and editing. From here, you can navigate across to any other blocks within the same section by selecting a marker that corresponds to the horizontal position of the block you wish to view. For example, if you want to move from the culture block to the foundation block, then simply click on the last marker. You can also navigate to a different section of the whiteboard by clicking on the vertical navigation buttons on the left. If you feel lost, simply go back to the whiteboard homepage by clicking the Whiteboard button. Go back to the detailed view again by clicking on the block of interest. The detailed block pages have two modes. The default mode is view only. This is the mode through which most users will experience the page. The second is edit mode and can be activated by clicking on the edit icon. Only certain user roles have the ability to edit blocks. User roles will be described in greater detail in the next module. When in edit mode, users may input information by clicking on the field forms or the add buttons. In either case, an input form will pop up with instructions for adding input. To assist companies with strategy development, we have incorporated a virtual consultant that serves as a guide during this process. Access the virtual consultant by clicking the Learn More button on any of the input forms, or click on the virtual consultant icon found at the top right of any detailed block page.